how to use the VRS, or the Virtual Robot Simulator. So the first thing you'll see is this screen, and you're going to go to the autonomous section. We'll talk about teleop on another day. The autonomous section has three main sections. This is where all the programming occurs. This is where the telemetry output goes. And this is where the game is. Notice there's a start game, stop game, reset the field. And this line can be pulled up and down. So that's the programming section. And if you pull that line up and down, you can make this screen a little bit bigger. So the first thing you're going to need to learn is about time, which is called the linear op mode block. And this is going to be our basic block that we're going to use. The rest of this is a little not for us. We need to know about actuators and motors. This is DC motors, and we're going to be primarily using the DC motors, and we'll be using one motor, and this is changeable, and these numbers are changeable. We also have quad motors, dual motors, and quad motors. We have loops. If you want to make a loop, this is an example of a program with a loop. It's going to work. It's going to go forward, stop, turn off the motors, and then it's going to do this 10 times. Stop the program. That was a loop in action. Now, sometimes you're going to need to do math functions, but really the most, for our purposes, we'll only need to know about that number, which goes from 1 to 9.